The Center for the Application of Scientific and Technological Advancements of Cần Thơ City has cooperated with the Vietnam Republic of Korea Industrial Technology Incubator and affiliated organization of Cần Thơ Department of Science and Technology to research and successfully manufacture a sample collection booth for coronavirus testing. What are the features and advantages of this sample collection booth? Let's find out in the following reporting.
In response to the complicated developments of COVID-19 in Cần Thơ City, large-scale infection testing and screening is one of the core solutions of the city authorities to contain the epidemic. Therefore, suitable arrangement to prevent cross-contamination at the sample collection areas for COVID-19 testing is one of the top priorities in epidemic prevention and control. From there on, the Center for the Application of Scientific and Technological Advancements of Cần Thơ City has cooperated with the Vietnam Republic of Korea Industrial Technology Incubator to focus on researching and making a sample collection booth that can quickly collect samples for COVID-19 testing while protecting the welfare of health workers and people being tested.
Under the direct instructions of Chairman of Cần Thơ City People's Committee Trần Việt Trường, we collaborated with Cần Thơ University, the teachers and 3 experts from Lào Cai Collect, who have researched and used the booth in Bắc Giang and Lào Cai to learn about the booth and come up with a blueprint for it.
The superiority of the sample collection booth for COVID-19 testing is that the space inside it maintains a higher pressure than that of the surrounding environment so that harmful microorganisms cannot enter the booth. To make sure that the booth is supplied with fresh, clean air, the air entering the booth is processed with an active charcoal filter, conditioned with a UV negative ions conditioning system, and lastly go through a HEPA filter. This air supply system plays an important role in mitigating cross-contamination between health workers as well as between health workers and sampled people. The sample collection booth for COVID-19 testing is also equipped with a disinfectant mist spraying system on the outside to clear out contaminants on the material surfaces and airborne contaminants at the sample collection location. Inside the booth, there are air conditioning, lighting, fan, and electric system, creating the best working conditions for sample collectors.
The airflow will travel one way to leave the booth. Before the air goes out, it passes a UV light to ensure freshness. When people approach the booth for sample collection, their seats will be sanitized by a sensor system.
Not only does the sample collection booth protect health workers when collecting test samples, but it also helps reassure people when participating in infection testing, thereby contributing to epidemic prevention and control tests in the area. The booth has been verified and met the international standards of NSF over ANSI 49-2018 for Level 2 biosafety cabinets and ISO 14644-1-2015 for clean rooms.
CDC Cần Thơ met an order of 30 booths for test sample collection at the clinics. With the available fund, we proposed to the City People's Committee to firstly make 10 booths for CDC to train health workers in booth operations. Then we will continue to make more. We can only produce 4 booths with the available capacity. However, we can make more booths if all mechanic workshops in the area are mobilized for booth production.
The sample collection booth for COVID-19 testing can be used for many hours of test samples collection and can be transported to multiple locations in every weather condition. It cuts labor protection costs while increases work efficiency. It is a practical product for frontline forces as well as a meaningful gift that gives the faith of victory in the fight against the COVID-19 epidemic of the city.